Hi guys, it's me Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel. Today, may bago na naman akong ibabahagi sa inyo na pwede mo ihanda sa iyong pamilya at pwede mo rin pagkakitaan. Baking time with Kuya Pandisoy. Ituturo ko sa inyo paano mag-bake ng soft bun. Garantisadong masarap at magugustuhan ng iyong pamilya. Kaya, tutok na! At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please support me by subscribing my channel. And please do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Okay? Thank you so much! Sa inyo paano mag-bake ng soft bun. Kaya tutok na! Ito na mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating soft bun. Okay? Unang-una, kailangan natin ng bread flour. Okay? Bread flour. And then kailangan din natin ng powder milk. Then yung ating instant yeast. Okay? And then yung ating salt. And then yung ating sugar. Yung ating water, and then yung ating egg, and then ating margarine, lard, and then yung ating vanilla extract. Okay, yan ang mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating soft bun. Right, stay tuned para sa ating actual procedure. Right, sa ating mixing bowl, ilalagay lang natin yung ating flour, yung ating bread flour. Alright. Just mix it up. Alright. Next to this, ilagay natin yung ating powder milk. Okay. Right. And then next to this, ilagay natin ang ating instant yeast. Right, we just mix it. Yan. And then we slowly put a hole dyan sa gitna. Okay? And then again, just reminder that before doing all these things, kailangan malinis po yung ating kamay kasi magmamasang kamay po tayo. Okay? Alright, we just put in our water. Okay? Water, and then we just add on our sugar. All right, and then we just add on our salt. Alrighty, and then immediately we just add on also our vanilla. Right. And then we just add also our egg. Okay. Right. And then we just mix it. We just make sure na ma-dissolve po yung ating sugar at saka yung ating salt. Yan. Para wala po yung mga namumuoy na sugar. Yan. Okay, para pag ay halo na natin yung ating flour dun sa gilid ay mawala na yung ating namumuong sugar. Okay, looks good. Then we just put in our flour sa gilid. Okay. And then we just add on our lard. Okay. lard, and then yung ating margarine. Okay. Alright. And then we just mix it. Okay. This time, kailangan na natin magmasang kamay. So we just clean this one. And then, medyo sticky yung ating dough. Kaya, we could add on just a little bit of our extra flour. Okay. Next is, kailangan lang nating i-grease yung ating dough mat. Okay. Kasi we immediately form. Yan. Grease lang natin ng margarine, oil, lard, or anything. Okay. Dapat ganito po ka-soft ang inyong dough. Tayo nyo? Yan. Tapos dapat dikit na sila. Hindi sila naghihiwalay. Okay? Yan. Very soft. Very soft po ang ating dough. Okay. And then, we just cut it. And then, lahat po ng gagamitin natin ay kailangan naka-grease. Okay? Yung ating cutter. And then, yung ating baking pan. Ayan. Ay grease ko na po siya. Alright. We just cut it. Yung ruler natin. Okay. Okay. Now is we just need to roll it. Yan, pasampas nyo lang. Okay. Right. Yan, depende po yan sa size na gusto niyo. Okay? And then we just roll like that, flatten, and then i-roll nyo lang ganyan. And then yung side ay dapat ay close. Alright. And just roll. Locked in. Okay. Ganyan ang itsura. Yan. Just put it there sa inyong baking pan. Okay. And then we just do the same thing. Okay. Just roll it. And then yung side ay dapat naka-clip. Okay. I hope you guys follow. And then just lock in yung dulo para hindi bumuka. And then just roll it a bit. Yan. And then ilagay sa inyong baking pan. Ayan. Okay, yan po yung ating soft bun. We just rest it. Kailangan lang natin siyang i-rest ng about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay? Kailangan mag-double size po siya. Alright. I'll see you after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, ganyan po yung itsura ng ating soft bun. Alright. Yeah, now it's ready for baking. But before that, kailangan natin spread ng egg wash. Alright. Alrighty. Okay. Baking time will only take you about 15 to 18 minutes. And then nakapag-preheat po na po ako ng aking oven ng about 180 degrees Celsius. Alright. I'll see you after 18 minutes. Alright. Let's check kung gaano ka-soft ang ating soft bun. Kung totoong soft ba ito. Alrighty. This is so exciting. Right. See you guys. Ayan, sobrang soft. Sobrang lambot ng ating soft bun. Ayan, okay, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay? Ayan, kitang-kita nyo. At sobrang alsa niya. Right. Okay. Ayan. Check natin, tikman natin. Alright. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guide. Okay? Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Kung saan ka man ngayon, please always keep safe. Alright? And then always wear your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. Alright? And always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time in my next video. Bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Ingat!